We're going to be making a hobo stew, and in order to make that we're going to use this system right here. This is from STOKE Voltaics, and this is a really neat system, guys. So check this out. You got a lid, you've got your pan and your pot, you've got your burner right here, you got your cord to plug in, and this is powered through either a power station or you could use an electric outlet. But this is your bubbling pot and your sizzling pan. It comes with a handle, and this handle is really cool because you can turn that knob, click the button, it pops off, put it back on, pick up your pot. Quick and easy. So this is their burner, and here's the cord. Cord will plug in right here in this port, and then you've got your little dial right here, and you can adjust your heat, and it goes by wattage, so you can go from 200 up to 1,000 watts. Plug it in right here into our all powers. You can pop it on just like this, and that'll spin freely all the way around. You do have a fill line right here on the pan, so you can see the max fill line. And that just pops right on, and we're going to be fixing our stew right in this, guys. So here's all the ingredients we're going to be using for tonight. I've got salt and pepper, some oil, some beef broth, got some stew meat, a potato, some baby carrots, onion, garlic, tomato paste, and I've got some water here, and that's about it, guys. Should be really easy to put together. So we're going to start off by cutting the potato, and we'll just cut up all our vegetables. Then we'll fry the meat, and we'll go from there. We are using the Maxa Blades kitchen knife, which is awesome. Now we'll go with the onion. Now let's go with our garlic. Alright, our vegetables are cut. Now we just need to get the pan hot. We'll be ready to go. We'll start by powering our power station on here. We'll start at 600 watts. First thing, we're going to add some oil to the pan. Then we'll throw in our stew meat. We're going to add some salt and pepper to this. Give that a good mix. And all we're going to do here is just brown this meat. Then we'll go in with the vegetables. Okay, now we're going to go in with the vegetables. We'll start with the potato, onion, and the garlic. Now we'll add some carrots in there. Now we're going to go in with some tomato paste. Give this a good mix. Now we are going to add some beef broth. Give that another mix. Try to get the tomato paste kind of mixed in with everything. We have maxed out this pot, but that's going to be more than enough food right there. We'll add our lid on. I've got it set at 800 watts, so we're going to leave it at that for a little while and just kind of let this cook down. The vegetables will cook down really good, and then we'll be ready to eat. We can head inside to the air conditioner and enjoy it. So I'm gonna finish this up and we'll head inside, guys.